Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. So today I got an email from Ibotta. It says, please add a debit card to continue using Pay with Ibotta. In effort to bring you the best offers possible, we will no longer support credit cards or discovered debit cards as payment methods for Pay with Ibotta transactions starting on June 10th, 2020. To continue using Pay with Ibotta and to avoid any interruption in service, please use a Visa or a MasterCard debit card to update your payment method. There's reasons why I've refused to use a debit card. I only use a debit card where you can only use a debit card. Like my grocery store, they only take debit cards or cash. They do not take credit cards. But for this, I do not feel comfortable linking my debit card to my Ibotta account. Now, I do have my credit card linked to it because if there's something that happens, I can always, fight it. The credit card will usually help you out. The debit card sometimes a little bit different because you have money in your account and they could take that money out. So just wanted to give you guys a heads up on this new thing. I probably will no longer be doing Ibotta Pay for this. I don't know why you have to do a debit card instead of just a regular credit card. I don't know if it's just because people are buying too much with Ibotta Pay and they don't want you doing that, or I have no idea, but you guys should have gotten an email for this. But just want to give you guys a heads up that I will no longer be doing Ibotta Pay because I just don't feel comfortable linking up my debit card to my Ibotta account just in case my account ever gets stolen or my phone gets stolen. They can do that pretty easily. I will continue using Flues. Flues is pretty much the same thing as Ibotta Pay. You can just, connect it to your credit card and they'll just charge you. I have been using Flues for several months now and I have not had one problem with them yet. And they are super helpful. So just wanted to give you guys a heads up. If you guys got that email, what is your thoughts on it? I know some of you guys do have your debit card in there, which I'm not saying don't, but I just prefer in my own way. I do not want to do it, but just want to give you guys a heads up. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys all later. Bye-bye.